Hello, welcome back once again for another Stryker SR-655. We discussed this being a new unit. Looks a lot like a 955 but without the sideband. This unit is a tune-up report for Jeff Lucky in West Virginia. Let's take a look right here. We got 10 watts across the top scale. I'm going to turn the power all the way down to its minimum. We're looking at about just under 3 watts, 2.5, 3 watts. And then I'm going to change that scale now so that it's 10, 20, 30. And we'll set it for just a hair over 15. 100 watts for peak power. We're going to be seeing that right here. 40, 60, 80, 100. Just a little over the 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Oh. Just want to hear this thing. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got the echo in chicken holler mode. Come out. Audio. Check, check, check. Okay. Let's put a speaker in that so you can hear it better. Bagger 19 for radio check, come on.
I got you loud and clear, man.
Well, I thank you, John. I thank you for your time.
And no worries, I don't think anyone uses that thing around here no more.